Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make dip for vegetables. Let's start with the foundation of a great dip. You'll want a creamy base, like 1 cup of sour cream or plain Greek yogurt, which provides a smooth texture. Then, we'll incorporate fresh herbs and essential spices to build a delicious flavor profile. A little acidity from lemon juice will really make the flavors pop, creating a perfect accompaniment for your favorite raw vegetables. Now, let's get creative with flavor combinations. Beyond the basics, consider adding a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a gentle warmth, or blend in a 1/4 cup of roasted red peppers for a smoky, sweet note. For a Mediterranean flair, crumble in 2 tablespoons of feta cheese and a teaspoon of dried oregano. The possibilities are truly endless, allowing you to customize your dip to perfectly suit any occasion or preference. Once you've gathered your ingredients, the next step is simple: mixing and chilling. In a medium-sized bowl, combine all your chosen ingredients. Whisk them together until the mixture is completely smooth and everything is well incorporated. This ensures an even distribution of all those wonderful flavors. Then, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate the dip for a minimum of 30 minutes. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, enhancing the overall taste. Finally, let's talk about serving your delicious homemade dip. Arrange a vibrant platter of fresh vegetables like carrot sticks, cucumber slices, bell pepper strips, and broccoli florets. You can also offer it with toasted pita bread, your favorite crackers, or even crunchy pretzels. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh chopped herbs. Any leftover dip can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, ready for your next snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.